I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Drive with the account you want to share from. This matters because ownership and permissions follow that account. Once signed in, upload the photo. Dragging is fastest. After the upload finishes, right-click the file and choose Get Link to begin. You're doing this now so permissions and link creation happen from the correct owner. Make sure the file name and folder are where you expect them before proceeding. Once the Get Link dialog opens, change who can access the file. This controls whether anyone with the link can view or only specific people can. Choose Anyone with the Link right arrow viewer for safe public sharing, or pick Editor if collaborators must change the photo. Make sure to check the expiration or prevent download options if needed. After selecting the right access level, click Copy Link so you can paste the link into email, chat, or a web. Now paste the link where you need it and test it. Testing confirms viewers see the photo without extra prompts. Open an incognito window and load the link to simulate an external user. This catches permission mistakes. If someone reports they can't access the photo, check whether the account owning the file blocks external sharing, whether you set restricted by mistake, or whether a sharing expiration was applied. Fix the specific permission and recopy the link. That resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.